Hey folks, so as you know, I purchased a van recently and the plan is to convert it into a camper. Right now, it's as I got it, plus including air mattresses. But the plan right now is take down the old plywood, take off the bulkhead, and maybe take out the floor. This way it stops me from travelling anymore. This is my assistant for today. What do you have to say for yourself? He's camera shy. Anyway,